Have you ever felt like your manifestations are not working? Or maybe you are wondering if the universe even got your message because nothing seems to be changing. Don't worry, you might have just missed the signs. Today in this video, I will share with you 5 clear signs that your manifestation is much more closer than you think. These are the signs that I have personally experienced and have seen on multiple people. So yeah, these do make sense. If you like these kinds of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Now, let me explain to you what are manifestation signs. So, these are like breadcrumbs from the universe guiding you towards your goals and desires. Sometimes they are subtle, but other times they are very hard to ignore. But here's the thing, if you are not paying attention, you could be missing them entirely. So, grab a notebook because these 5 signs may be just the thing that you were waiting for and will definitely change the way you see your journey. Let's start with a sign that might actually surprise you. It can be some challenges or tests. See, sometimes just before the manifestation arrives, you are going to freak out. Some challenges might come and you will be thinking like, I have been doing so much and just before I am getting this, so many challenges are coming. Like, why is this happening with me? I have asked myself this particular question every time before I have manifested something. Last year when I was trying to manifest one of my big financial goals, my laptop broke. So that needed quite an expense that did slow down my financial goal. So I was working so much and I wanted so much to reach that financial goal, but I need to repair my laptop, right? Because this is where I work, this is where I read my videos. So this was not an option for me that I would not repair, or else I will have to buy one, right? So I cried so much when this happened. Like just when I was going to reach my financial goal, this happened. Like, why does this always happen to me? But when I thought clearly after a day or two, I saw that when I was trying to manifest my college, same thing happened. I thought that I won't get it, I cried, but in a week or so, I actually got into the college. So it always happens with me, and I have been seeing so many videos recently where people say that it got worse for them just before they actually manifested the thing. So think of this as a way of universe checking that are you really capable? Like what mindset are you going to have if everything is not going correctly? See, I was in a full-on abundance mindset before the laptop issue because I thought that I am doing all my affirmations, I am doing my visualizations. There was nothing that I was too stressed about, like money is not coming or something. So when this happened, for a day or two, I literally got out of that mindset. But when I thought about it, I saw that this is like a test, this is like a challenge. And if I can keep my abundance mindset throughout these not so happy times, maybe that's the way of universe testing, whether I am actually worthy of receiving that amount of money or not. So yeah, sometimes these challenges are necessary for you to evolve. See, if I did not have gone through that issue, I would not have learned like how to still be in abundance mindset when not everything is in abundance in your life. So that is a test of universe just before giving you your manifestation. Are you actually ready for something that you have been longing for so long? So stick through those challenges, change your perspective. Think of this as the last exam from the universe. Now, the second point is very popular nowadays. Have you been seeing repeating numbers like 111, 222, 333? This might be a sign. Or maybe you keep running into the same song or the same lyric for some reason or the same quote over and over. That may be a sign that universe is looking into you and that is something that you need to notice. So one of the quotes that I used to see a lot when I was trying to manifest a change in my life, it was trust the process. So obviously we all see that, but it was too many to actually ignore. Yes, I do trust the process, but like how long? For how long am I going to trust it? So that was a question that I always had, and whenever I used to see that trust the process, I was like, okay, maybe one more month. And as much as I have grown and I have trusted the process more and more, all the good things started happening to me. Similarly for 111, 222, now I have 11122 written all over my home, so I don't count that as much as I used to count before. But these are some of the first signs that you are going to see when you start manifesting, because universe is going to show you like, yes, we are here. See, you have good things in your life. You are just not able to see right now. I'm pretty sure that you have one in your life, but you might not be seeing it right now. But if you start noticing all the synchronicities more, you will find that you have that quote, or maybe you have that song, or maybe there is something that will give you the courage, that have been giving you the courage for a long time. So keep your eyes open. Now the third sign. So this is huge. You will feel calm and certain all of a sudden, without any signs or without anything even that good happening. You will feel like this is going to happen. I am going to do this no matter what happens, no matter how many people told you that this cannot happen, or maybe you should not believe on this so much, but you feel certain that this is going to happen. See, as I was talking about the financial goal, just after I repaired my laptop, I don't know why, but I felt like no matter what, nothing bad could happen anymore, and I am going to reach that financial goal. It just came from within. I don't know how or why. I cried just a week before, but suddenly I realized that this is maybe a test, and just keep on working and not think about the results. The moment that I did that, I don't know if this was my confidence or this was universal sign, I just started attracting so many opportunities. So yeah, suddenly you will feel calm, you will feel like that I will do my things, I will let universe do its thing, and you will be calm and collected, and you will just trust the universe. Now sign 4, unexpected opportunities or people showing up. Sometimes manifestation won't happen just the way you want it. So maybe you are wanting financial freedom, or you want to meet someone that you love, or maybe some health goal, and it might not be the conventional way. Maybe you want to manifest love of your life, and suddenly you see someone from your school or someone that you haven't met since college, and you suddenly see that person and talk and think like, wow, this is going to happen. So unexpected things happen, and suddenly you have your partner. So yeah, sometimes universe works in mysterious way. Unexpected things happen, unexpected people come. These are all signs that your manifestation is working and your dreams are coming true. Now the final point, you feel detached. I have talked about this in one of my videos, you can check this out here. So how to let go? Sometimes you just let go from within yourself. After few challenges, or maybe after waiting, or maybe even sometimes without any reason, you have decided you want to manifest that, and you feel fully detached. So now I can feel fully detached from things that I want, but before that I was not able to get detached so easily. So when you stop obsessing over your outcome, maybe you want financial freedom, maybe you want your health, maybe you want your partner, and you are so obsessed on this, you are so obsessed on saving more money or going to gym. See, what is going to happen is that if you go to gym every single day and you be in a caloric deficit, you will get sick and you will have to eat more, and the opposite will happen. Same for saving money. See, if you are not doing anything and just focusing on saving money because you have to reach a goal, what will happen is that maybe you will get a big bill. All of these things will happen if you are trying too much. See, no one likes an obsessive person. Or maybe you want to find love so much that you obsess over anyone that you talk. This is not the way to manifest, right? So stop obsessing over the outcome, and I'm pretty sure that when you stop obsessing, you will see how easy it is to manifest. If you are seeing this video up until this point, I'm sure you are pretty serious about manifestation, right? So please stop obsessing, please stop thinking just for a week. I promise you, if you start by a week, then a month, you will manifest a lot more easily and a lot more fun and fulfilling way. So give yourself that time, have fun. You will see how easy it is to manifest once you stop obsessing. So yeah, there you have it, 5 clear signs your manifestation is working. Challenges and tests, synchronicities, inner calm, unexpected opportunities, and detachment. The key is to stay aware and trust the process, even when you do not see the results immediately. So which of these signs have you experienced? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your stories. And if you are not seeing these signs yet, don't worry, they are coming. Just keep an abundance mindset and focus on your goals. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch this video where I talk about how you can use scripting to manifest all your desires. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who might love this video. Thank you so much again for watching my videos, and I love you all, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.